coming in from the passenger side, we're gonna open the little thing, the glove box, sorry. And we're pushing back this, you can actually see it there. So there's one of them on either side. There's one here. This one's a little bit tricky to get your hand in, so I'm going to use a little screwdriver just to pry it off. And once you have it down, put a little bit of pressure on both sides. So once you have it down, this is what you're prying back. So it's just a little piece of plastic. So I'm going to pry this one back and this one back at the same time. If you actually put a little bit of pressure on the glove box coming down, so when you're actually pulling it down, you pop it back and you can actually pull it one side down and then do the other. There is this little sensor here for the light, and it slows the glove box down. That needs to go back in when you're pushing it back in. I'll show you 1 second. So then the pollen filter is in here. So there's 3 clips here. You can probably do all this without any tools, but you just pop these little clips down, 3 of them there, and lift this off. So you can kind of see the clips there on the tree, and then the bottom, they just sit into the little dowels there all the way along. I'm going to remove the pollen filter. Just taking note that the arrow is pointing down for the airflow. It's not too bad. So once you pop the new one on, just going to make sure the 3 little locators here are clipped in, and then push. You'll actually hear the audio clip. And then this little part here, just watch that it's not falling down, it's out of the way. You can actually take this off here by pushing it backwards. You can just about see if you pushed it there, you can take it out. But it's a lot more difficult. So just lift it up slowly, get it back into the track, and you'll hear the click, and it will actually hold it there. So then you just give the glove box a firm close, and then that's it. Easy peasy.